Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw from the title of this video, it's going to be a makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I really wanted to use kind of some reds and just make it really dark and vampy in a sense. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have already put on my foundation, my concealer, my eyebrows, and I've already set my face as well. I didn't want to do that on camera because I do that all the time. It's pretty much the same steps. So if you guys want to see kind of like a full face makeup, then there are some previous videos that I have and it'll show you everything. But I pretty much do the same thing all the time, use the same thing all the time, because it's what works for me. So we're going to move on to the Ojos. So taking some RCMA translucent powder, I'm just going to pack that onto my lid just so I don't have any foundation, because that just kind of creates movement from the foundation and I don't want that. I don't want that. Hello. Dude, I literally just got this and this thing is already hella dirty. I don't know how, don't ask me. Don't ask me. Taking that Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This shit has been out for so long already, so there's billions and trillions and bazillions tons of videos. I totally spin there. I already played with it. So taking this, I think it's an E40 brush from Morphe. What should we do first? I think I want to take this color here. Well, it's like a mustardy, dark, maybe like a dark mustard. This one is pukey. There you go, pukey color. And this is going to be our transition shade. So focus that up top of your crease. Now these shadows are very pigmented, which I love. I remember a long time ago when Morphe first came out. I'm sure my other videos, I've used them before. But like kind of when they first started, I bought maybe like, I think I bought a palette and then some singles, and they've definitely like, I don't even know if they reformulated, but actually I don't even think I've bought more shadows since then. That was a long ass time ago. Ooh, I really like this transition shade. We're gonna grab another Morphe brush. This is 411. It's pretty much the same kind of style as the E40. No, this isn't Morphe. Sorry, the E40 is a Sigma brush. So this is Morphe 411. And this is similar to the E40 Sigma brush, but it's just a little bit more dense and a little bit smaller. So this one is gonna go a little bit lower than that color. So I think I'm gonna go into this color here. And this one is Roxanne. And then this one you want to focus it right here. So like on the crease and a little bit above the crease, but not passing pukey. I think I'm going to pop some of that on the outer corner too. Alright, so now that we got Roxanne on our eyeball, I think I'm going to move on to another dark shade. And that's going to be the one next to Roxanne. So it is going to be Jax. So taking another similar brush, again smaller brush. This is a Morphe 506 going into Jax. And this is going to be mainly focused on our crease, just to deepen that. Did I ever mention that we have a little 12-week-old Pomeranian here? I'm just taking a clean brush and just kind of buffing those colors. Oh yeah, so about that Pomeranian puppy. So he's here. He's in the living room playing with my other two pit bulls. My family basically pitched in to buy this Pomeranian for my soon-to-be 4-year-old niece that's in Orange County for her birthday that's coming up October 24th. We'll be out there October 20th, so she's gonna flip. She has this obsession with Pomeranians. We found him out here in the If you guys don't know, I live in the Bay Area. But we found them out here. Yeah, we have them for now. As soon as I'm done cutting this crease, I will show you. Are you guys ready for this cuteness? Ready? Oh wait, you're not in focus. You're so cute. What's your baby? It's your babies. But he is 12 weeks old. He's a boy.
You're a boy. You're a real boy.
He is obsessed with my male pit bull. Like they freaking have become buddies. And I'm gonna feel so bad when he has to leave. So anyways, yeah, he's with us for now. We got him at 8 weeks, so we've had him for about a month. We're gonna have him for another 3 weeks and then he's gone. I'm gonna miss him, but having puppies is a lot of work. Anyways, moving on. Back to my cuteness. We're gonna move on to the main shadow, which is that crayon apple. Okay. And I'm gonna use that same brush that I used to cut my crease and basically apply that wherever you see any of your concealer. Ooh. You know what's happening, guys? Crayon apple is pretty close to the Jack's color. It's just, it looks, why did I grab more? It is just shimmery. So I'm gonna have to pop another color on my outer corner. But that's okay. I'm looking a little crazy right now. I know. Going with my Sigma E30 brush. It's just a little pencil brush. And because that, what was it? Jack's was similar to the color that I just popped on my lid, I'm gonna grab this one here. Wait. It's called Chip, just to deepen that outer, or my crease. And then just taking a clean brush, just buff it out. Girl, that is insane. I'm gonna just go ahead and do a wing liner. I'm gonna use that NYX Epic liner in black. So these have become my favorite lashes. They're from KOKO. I still can't remember the damn name. I went back to the store where I purchased the KOKO lashes and I tried to find them, but I ended up purchasing the wrong ones. They're still nice, but they're way more subtle than these. I can't think of the freaking name. So whenever I go back, I'll do my investigation. But I love these because they're more subtle than the, what are they, the Queen Bees, but a little bit more than the Demi Wispies. So I'm going to quickly pop these on. I'm pretty much going to use the same colors that I did up top and put that down here. Maybe not all of them, but some of them. Then going into the Mary Lou Manizer highlight by the Boom Cosmetics. This is going to be my highlight for the brow bone. And for the inner corner as well. I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Alright, and then for the face, I'm gonna bronze my face with the GIRLACTIK Matte Bronzer in Cabo. Cabo. Because I want to be extra. So I'm going to take Dose of Colors by DESIXKATY in Sauvage. As you guys know, I'm pretty horrible at liquid lipsticks. But I'm fairly good with a brush. So, this is what I do. And of course you can pair this up with a much neutral toned lip. But I feel like I always do that, so I wanted to be extra today. Hi there. I don't know if I just have some really deformed lips or I just really can't put on liquid lipstick. Alright guys, so that is the final look for this makeup look. But like I said, you can wear this out to lunch when you go to McDonald's or, you know, when you're just sitting at home because It's very subtle. I feel like it's very wearable for your everyday look. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see any other videos, please give me some damn suggestions because I freaking run out of ideas. As always, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. And I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye! And then I'm just gonna quote. I'm gonna quote my I'm gonna quote.
Oh, ew, you just fucking farted, dude.
Okay, I'm done.